Okay, welcome back everybody. I'll tell you the shortcut of the same question. Okay, so we have seen the last video three past numbers, right? And then they are given 2, 3, and once again 3 and 4. Okay, so this is first 1 and 2, first and second number. This is second and third number. So let you take it as first number is 2x. Already you're taking it right, and then afterwards second number is 3x, and afterwards third number is 4x. Right? So I just tell you about this shortcut. Okay, shortcut, and it could be the aliter. Aliter means for alternate method. Okay. And what they say, the product of first three, etc. So they says that product of first three is okay, no problem. First and third. And listen here, sum of the three numbers they ask, is it right? Sum of three numbers means what? 2x plus 3x plus 4x. This is the only question, right? We add this one 9x. So whatever you do, whenever you multiply any number with the 9, the answer will be the multiple of 9, or otherwise you check the given option. Listen me, any number, take any number, if the digits when it gets added, and the final digit will give 9, then definitely that is a multiple of 9. Then means what? It is a multiple of 9. It is a multiple of 9. Okay, listen here. Take 108. What is 108? 1 plus, listen me. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 9. So definitely this could be the answer. Okay, wait. For 96. What is 96? 9 plus 6 equal to 15. What is 1 plus 5 equal to 6? Not possible. Okay. Then 120. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. It is not 9. 84. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. That is 1 plus 2. That's equal to 3. So automatically 9 into anything means, if the answer you will, whatever answer you will get, if you add all the digits means you will get the 9. That is the answer. Okay. That's a shortcut. Okay. So automatically 108. That gives a 9. Okay. Thank you very much. It's very simple. Okay. Don't get off right.